Jolos sinema ang'wen kamoriwo Nicholas Wambugu, Brian Adagala, Mark Rubio kaachiel kod Christopher Wamae mane omaki odiechieng' manyoro gi keth mar goyo chapa kaachiel kod keto mbui tipo mag miriambo owe thuolo gobila. Wambugu kaachiel gi Adagala mane odinnegi e tesend obila ma Pangani ema nokwongo we thuolo bang' okil margi Ian Mutiso ochopo e tesend obilano. Kirubiugu kod Wamae mane odinnegi e tesend obila ma Muthaiga bende bang'e nodogo we thuolo gi rambun manono. Okil margi wacho ni jofwambo ang'wen go eko dibed ni ne omaki tok sinema manochiw kod od fwambo mar BBC kaluwore gi kaka ng'anyo masundo piny owacho notimore e pacho ka. Jofwambo ang'wen go
They were, for lack of a better word, they had been taken and rather they had not been given, rather memorialized, and they had been detained for the past 24 hours. Two of them were actually detained at Pangani police station, and the other two were brought to Muthaiga police station. And the courtesy of the media houses and other advocates and also some friends from the law enforcement were able to give me further information as far as the reasons why these individuals had been taken. And from the perusal of the OB, it seems that they were likely going to be charged with the publication of false information. We're yet to know the particulars on why these charges do exist.
So to say, I'm happy for the guys who came through. For sure, definitely friends came through. Relatives came through. My family came through.